Hey you, yes you, are you a dog lover? If you are, you have to play this game. But first, can you like and subscribe in 3 seconds? 3, 2, 1, let's go play the game. So basically in this game you have to collect all the dogs. I'm going to speed this part up. There's 133 dogs to collect. That's a lot. What's your favorite dog? They're really hard to find. Here's me playing for a bit. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button. You should go play the game now. Anyways, bye guys.